lights, big city was quite extraordinary. The drive was pretty, I was in perfect company. The love of a lifetime, since we were elementary friends. The one with the bright eyes. Why can I be optimistic? I tried to find a logically. I had a dream and I could not shake it. I was standing up there naked.
Excuse me, pwedeng makiupo?
Sige, walang problema.
Upper class ka ba?
Parang gano'n na nga.
Taga saan ka?
Taga dito lang.
Sanay ka na pala dito. Ako, freshie pa lang eh. Medyo nag-aalinlangan pa.
Madali lang naman masanay sa hangin ng Miagao. Hindi ka mahihirapan.
Tips naman oh, para hindi ako mahirapan masyado.
Simple lang. Basta huwag kang pauto dyan sa mga upperclassmen mo na alam mo malakas mag-trip ng freshie.
Talaga?
Oo. Basta. Minsan kasi... libre ka ba mamaya?
Ha?
Wala lang. Baka kasi gusto mong i-tour kita.
Ganon. Ang bait mo naman. Pwede naman. Ano yan? Tobacco? Bakit may tobacco? Wala naman tayong ibang kasama. Sige, mauna na ako ha. At may gagawin pa ako. Hindi pala ako libre mamaya.
The one with the bright eyes laughed away inside this music box, stored away in the corner of my heart. And
Dad naman, no?
I let her get away.
Ang ating feature gadget for today ay ang iTouch. Ang iTouch ay isa sa mga gadget na likha ng Apple Company, which was founded by Steve Jobs. Ang iTouch ay isa lamang sa mga likha ng Apple Company, tulad ng iPod, iPhone at ang napakabagong iPhone. This has been your feature gadget for this podcast. Thanks for watching!